Hey everybody, Syncretic 3D here. In this video, I want to show you a little bit about volumes in my package. Okay, so let's start with a volume mask node. Volume mask. Plug the volume into here in the volume, and give it a glossy surface by adding a glass shader. Plug the shader into the surface here. Take away the Fresnel, and now it has a glossy surface. Let's use a texture for the volume. So I'll use blocks right here. So the output right here. Let's add some contrast to this. Change the count. Plug the mask into the mask here. See what we have. We have to take away the layering. Let's refresh this. Now let's increase the contrast here. And let's increase the volume steps to 0.5. Make this something like 2 instead for the scale. And now you see that we have these blocks inside of this sphere. We can change the count here, the size right here, and the seed right here. Make this more rough here for the surface. And make this a nice, bright yellow. Blocks of cheese inside of this sphere. I think that's about all I wanted to show you. Just some cool tricks you can play around with in the package. You can find it in the link below. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.